how to redeem Rick Steves Travel Store gift cards. If you want to redeem gift card on Rick Steves Travel Store because maybe you are redeeming or you are shopping something over there, so normally as you would go to travelstore.ricksteves.com, which is the official website, and once there, just add the products that you want to buy to your cart and go to your cart and go to the checkout page. Here on the checkout page, enter your billing information and delivery options, and under the payments tab, if you want to redeem your gift card, you can see the option called gift card number. So depending upon the value of the gift card, make sure to enter the card number, tap on the apply card, and based on its value, it will be used to add automatic discounts to these products that is available over here. This way you can basically redeem a Rick Steves Travel Store gift card. I hope this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, do feel free to leave them down in the comments below. As always, thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.